So we're here today to announce steps we've taken to support working Vermonters affected by COVID-19 and additional actions we're going to put into place. Let me be clear. My team and I are fully aware these initiatives are not enough. People are hurting and businesses are at risk. But let me assure you, we will pull every lever and turn every dial we possibly can to support folks through this time and look towards economic recovery even while we're closing in on the eye of the storm. The initiatives we're outlining today are small steps, but they're just the beginning. And we need people to know what resources are available to them right now. We've already taken several actions to provide some economic relief for Vermonters. To start, we made unemployment available to all Vermonters who can't work because of coronavirus. We also waived the work search requirement for those who were laid off or had their hours reduced during this emergency. This, of course, means many more Vermonters calling the Department of Labor for help. And we continue to expand capacity and have simplified the process for Vermonters. This includes an online form for initial claims and tripling the number of staff in our claims center, borrowing people from other agencies and departments to help out, including a generous offer of staff support from the auditor's office. With schools and daycares now closed, it's my hope we can extend these benefits to those who need to stay home to care for their kids, and we'll work with the legislature to do so. To further protect workers, I'll also ask the legislature to expand and extend job protections for those employees of small businesses who cannot work due to the family and medical reasons. Knowing the burden of health care and how utility costs weigh heavily on many families, I've directed the Department of Financial Regulation and DEVA to help reduce financial pressure wherever we can and make sure Vermonters continue to have access to care and prescriptions. DFR acted quickly to ensure Vermonters didn't have to pay out of pocket for COVID-19 testing and directed insurers to allow for a 30-day supply of prescription medication available to patients. Commissioner Pichek is now working with MVP and Blue Cross Blue Shield to try to make sure no one loses their health care coverage during this time. And I've directed DEVA to waive premiums for the Dr. Dinosaur program. DFR is also working with financial institutions to encourage flexibility for customers. Things like waiving fees and delaying loan repayments, which is just the start to providing relief. On the utility front, my team at the Public Service Department has been working with our utilities to ensure that folks are not disconnected during this emergency due to inability to pay. I'm happy to report that our utilities overwhelmingly stepped up to do the right thing, and their good conduct and cooperation was acknowledged in the PUC's recent order to formalize this protection. I know the steps we've taken to slow this virus down are already taking an incredible toll on businesses and their employees, especially our bars and restaurants, which are so vital to our economy and our culture. Again, we will do everything we can to help these businesses and their employees, but my heart goes out to each and every one of them as they face the brunt of this right now.